Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we feature the efforts of a St. Catherine Police Division that's on a mission to steer citizens away from crime through the arts. With that story, here's Ken Morgan.
Youth, rise and take your place. Words
of encouragement from Rebel Ayana to her peers in and around Waterford, St. Catherine, that they can succeed despite their circumstances. Lines from her winning song at the Waterford Youth Talent Transformation Through the Arts program in Portmore, St. Catherine recently. Sub-officer in charge of operations at the Waterford Police Station, Inspector Pilmar Powell, says the initiative was launched in October last year with the hope of steering youths away from joining gangs.
We realize that our youths are lively within the arts. So we got our charge from SSP Phillips, who is our commanding officer, to have that more interactive engagement with our citizenry. So Team Waterford, we sat and we were looking through our station plan. And one of our interventions, we came up with the Youth Talent Show.
And for it to be a success, Inspector Powell says officers had to get sponsors on board, such as record labels, to help participants prepare for the finals. The competition started with over 50 applicants. However, 3 emerged winners.
I saw the opportunity and I just took it. And I've always wanted to be a police. That was my first career choice before I found the love and passion for music. So what better way to enter the police competition?
Rebel Ayana, who contested while pregnant, walked away with a recording contract and a scholarship from the Heart NSTA Trust.
My plans drop a lot of singles, a lot of songs where kids can relate to, a lot of songs where adults, old people, everyone can relate to. Police, politician, everybody. We do music for everybody, for uplift all of we. One blood, one unity, one love.
We're asking Jamaicans and all around the world to support our youths, as this will be a continuous program because we wish for the youth's social and professional transformation.
Inspector Powell says the 3-month-long competition, which targeted 18 to 29 years, will focus on incorporating school-aged children at the next staging.
It becomes a part of our division. We're talking about youths. We can't let them go. We'll have to tell them that, look, there are persons who want to see their best interests at heart.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.